Alright. Welcome to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Well, I got the 72 Demon stripes on my Duster. Because that's what I wanted to put on here was the Demon stripes. Well, how do you get all the air bubbles out? It's got a lot of air bubbles. I need to figure it out how I'm going to do this. But anyway, I got a Duster emblem sticker order for the back here. And then I'm going to put that on there, and then I got to do something about this TV here, because it's just not going to work with the Yeah. Okay. So anyway, where were we? So for the back here, I have a Duster, the whirlwind with the eyes. I'm going to put that back here. I got that ordered. And I got the wing ordered. I'm going to put a wing on it. I still need rear window chrome, The sticker, it's got air bubbles all over. I tried to, and then I messed it up. I actually messed it up good right here. So that was the first section I put on. So, like I say, it's a 55-mile-an-hour car. But remember, these are vinyl stickers. They can come off and get replaced too. So, and then I put my Duster emblems on. But the Hemi, I had a couple little Hemi stickers around, so I threw them underneath there. Looks okay. It's a 55-mile-an-hour paint job. I'll take it to a car show and they'll probably just go, that's funny. They won't look at all the fabrication, So, but let's see what redneck did this. Oh well, I try. It's good enough for me though. So looks all right. Oh, I left this here. I see. Grab that. Oh, yeah. But yeah. Good enough for me, man. For the girls I date. Wait, I don't date any girls. So don't matter. I don't date anybody. Any women at all. Too many troubles with them. Probably wouldn't have no cars. I don't know. But yeah, she looks alright, doesn't she? 55 mile an hour, she'll look good. Yeah. But anyway, tomorrow I pick up my drive shaft. I think I'm getting a shaft on that. They said it was slightly bent, so it was junk. But it's going to be $565, boys, for a drive shaft. It's going to be heavy duty, though. So pick that up tomorrow. No more vibration. Hopefully underneath the car when I was driving it, I get a vibration. Well, you can just about think it was just slightly tweaked, the drive shaft. So I guess when they loaded that old junk car on the trailer for me and I told him to be careful, he must have tigged the drive shaft forks of the loader. So yeah, time that's all done, I suppose. Well, I don't know why it's $565. To me, that's kind of spendy for a drive shaft, but maybe he's seen me coming, so I don't know. Maybe he's seen, yeah, this guy's an idiot. Yeah. Oh, well. That's the way it is. But anyway, yeah, there's the car, and she's getting there. She's starting to look more prettier. But I got air bubbles in that stripe. I need to pop them out of there. What am I going to have to use, like a pin? If you guys know of anything, let me know. I don't know how to get them out of there. But yeah, I used wax and grease remover to clean the clean them up and clean the body up, I should say. And then so they'd stick to them. So the stickers would stick to the body. I use wax and grease remover. There we go. Hey, got it. Took a little bit to get it out, but yeah. So anyway, yeah, it looks okay. For me, it is. Other people laugh at it, but I mean, hey, they laugh at it. I'll ask them, hey, where's yours? Then they'll show me their Boyd Coddington car. I'll say, oh, I'm glad you had $75,000 to do that. This one didn't cost me that much. But yeah. Anyway, please like and subscribe if you can. The next step we're going to do is we're going to throw a rear wing in it. Tomorrow I'm putting a new drive shaft. They're going to have it done for me tomorrow morning. Then I got to go pay that bill with the old credit card. So I'll pay that bill and I'll pay for it for the rest of my life. So, yeah. So, what do you think of the demon wing on a Duster? That don't look bad on there. I'll put that Duster sticker back here yet. Yeah, I think that'll look good. I was going to put the word Hemi in here. That's probably what I should have did with that Hemi stickers. Put them on top of these stickers. No, I don't know. I don't know what's right anymore. That's probably wrong too. But yeah. But anyway, there it is so far. Definitely looks like a different car. But yeah, you guys take care. Have a good evening. Please like and subscribe if you want to subscribe to this idiot's channel. Yeah. But yeah, I sure could use the subscribers. But yeah, take care, and I'm just so hot, guys. It's up here in Minnesota. We're not used to this. It's 90. Well, let's see. On my heat meter today, I had 97 degrees, and dew point was at 78%. So, and at one point, I think it flipped up to 79% dew point. So, just to let you know how warm it is here, and we're not used to this. So, anyway, maybe the lakes will get too warm up here, and fish will start dying. I don't know, but I'm just out of breath, out of everything. I got sticker shock for the drive shaft. I got, oh man, I tell you, just can't get it right. Everything's expensive. I can't even hardly afford a pair of shoes because they're 18s. So they're $5,254.29 a piece, by the way. It's like valve cover gaskets. On a V8, there's two heads. Now they're selling them a piece. They figure they can make more money. They can price gouge just now. So what they get for one, they used to get for two for the pair. Used to be able to buy a pair of them. Now you can only buy one for the pair. Isn't that crazy? Even valve cover gaskets are the same way. And intake gaskets now. They're selling them one at a time. One side. Isn't that crazy? That's how they're price gouging us. So, us car guys, we're all in this together, Oh well. Yeah. One guy's getting fat financially, and other guys are trying to find their pennies underneath the love seat to try to buy parts. Yeah. Isn't that crazy? I think it is. Yeah, I want everything fair. That's all I want. I don't feel I'm entitled to anything. I just feel like I want everything fair. But anyway, you guys all take care, and please subscribe again. I would appreciate it. And if you do, I thank you respectfully. You have my respect. Thank you. I appreciate it. And have a good evening. And next step is the drive shaft and the wing. And then, if you can, please subscribe. So take care. Was going to go to Iowa. I'm not going because of the heat. Don't need a heat stroke over a rod and a piston. So we'll talk to you later. Take care, eh? Love to all. Bye-bye.